Hello everyone, another quick tip on the Yamaha FZR600. Before you install the carbs, I've got the carbs all set up and ready to go back. I put them on a plank. This is probably one of the more awkward bikes if it comes to installing them. What I wanted to tell you is before you put them back into the boots, always have the boots protected, by the way. Always put a piece of paper or anything so nothing falls into them. But before you install them, I use just the normal red rubber grease. I always use it. What I do with it, I would normally smear it. Don't put too much of it obviously, just a little smear of it. I put it on the rubber just before I insert the carbs. This way, that grease proved to be amazing because it helps, it revives the rubber, one thing, and the other thing is if you need to pull the carbs back off, helps you a lot because they just slide in and out no problem. What that grease does, it basically revives the rubber. I only put it on the top edge, but you can tell the difference between non-treated ones and the ones that have been greased up. When you grease it up, the rubber don't dry off as quickly, and it's a lot easier to install the carbs as well. This grease is actually the only one safe to use inside brake calipers as well, so it's quite handy for that, because instead of using brake fluid, you can use that grease to put the seals in, and it helps sealing. Plus, as I said, it revives and feeds the rubber. There's silicones in it, so it helps. As long as the carbs are not cracked up, and these are pretty good for an old Yamaha, I'll just grease them up and put the carbs back in. Okay, see you soon.